Every time we bring groceries in, Cookie wants all up in the bags. She wants everything. But anyways, hey y'all, welcome to my channel. Ooh, cat hair is flying. Let's not do that. Anyways, I wanted to show you guys what we got at the grocery store. We literally just got back from the grocery store. We went to HEB to get our groceries. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna show you my bags. Ah. Alan just brought pretty much all of these up by himself. But I'm gonna film me setting it all up, and then I'm gonna do the haul and I'll show you everything piece by piece. Okay, so I got a lot of it out of the bags. There's a couple more things I need to put out, but what I'm gonna do really quick is kind of organize everything and set it up a little bit better, and then I'll show you everything we got. Okay, so I got everything set up. I kind of try to categorize it all, but it's probably not right, but it's all good. Anyway, so this is just a quick overview of everything we got, and I'll also be telling you the price of everything afterwards. So I'm going to start over here. We got 4 different kinds of chips and some pretzels. So we got 10 bags, like the mini bags of the crunchy Cheetos, 10 bags of Funyuns. We got 8 bags of the Cape Cod kettle cooked potato chips, and then we also got some gluten-free mini pretzels and some restaurant style HEB brand tortilla chips. Next up, we got a box of pot ready angel hair pasta. We got a bag of rotini and a box of tricolor rotini for me, because I'm going to be making my little tomato paste again because I love it. So yeah, got some tomato paste. I'm gonna put that back over there with the cans and start from here. So we got these 2 donuts. What are these? These are, what kind of donuts are these, Alan?
Blueberry glaze.
Ah, blueberry glaze. It doesn't say it on the package, so I didn't know. So we got 2 blueberry glazed donuts. And then we got a pack of string cheese, a can of tomato paste, 2 cans of sliced beets, because I just love eating these straight out of the can. They are delicious. I got some HEB classic roast coffee. I got a thing of some quick grits. I've been craving grits, so I got me some. Got a box of the Quaker instant oatmeal, the apples and cinnamon. Okay, then we got some pico de gallo to go with our tortilla chips. I got some HEB traditional hummus to go with my gluten-free pretzels, and I also wanted to have some hummus with some celery that I got the other day and the mini cucumbers. So I'm gonna start here on the meats really quick. We got 2 New York strip steaks, 1 for me, 1 for Alan. Got some ground hamburger meat. We got a big pack of the boneless, skinless chicken breast tenders. And then we also got a 4-pack of boneless pork chops. I got some of this tenderizer because I like to use it on my meat sometimes. I got some of this HEB 12 grain bread. And I'm gonna start here on my vegetables really quick. I got a yellow onion, mini cucumbers, red onion, 2 green bell peppers, some Roma tomatoes, a pack of turkey gravy because I'm gonna be making mashed potatoes sometime this week. Got some corn on the cob. I got a strawberry poppy seed salad kit. This is absolutely delicious. I had it the other day with some chicken. It's so good. Got some romaine lettuce, some baby spinach, a bag of potatoes, some bananas, some oranges, some apples, avocados, green apples, and a cantaloupe. Got a pack of cinnamon applesauce. Got some baby wipes and some flushy wipes. Got a bag of cinnamon fired Jolly Rancher hard candy. 2 boxes of baking soda. And we got some Honest Kids Berry Good Lemonade and Honest Kids Happily Ever After. And we also picked up a bag of food for the girls. This is a different flavor than what we normally get, but I figured I'd go ahead and try it. So yeah. And I almost forgot because I had these in the freezer. We got some ice cream. So Alan picked these out. It's called Itty Bits and they're cookies and cream. He got 2 of those. He got a thing of the orange cream swirl. And then I finally found this, which I'm so excited about. It's the Ben & Jerry's cannoli ice cream. It's mascarpone ice cream with fudge covered pastry shell pieces and mascarpone swirls. And hey, it's got my girl's name on it. So yeah, almost forgot about those, but there they are. All right, so now it's time to tell y'all how much we spent on these groceries. Y'all ready? So we spent a total of $134. We had brand savings of $5.21, meaning we got the HEB brand, so we saved because of that. I had $1.96 in regular coupons and then $3 off from digital coupons. So I saved $10.17, and yeah, all of this was $134. So there you go. Guess I'm gonna go ahead and feed these cats really quick before I put all of these groceries up because they're hungry. Look at both of these cats. Look at them. They have a little bit of food left over there, but they obviously want this. And this is gonna be Cannoli's first time trying this flavor. Oh my gosh, is she gonna like it or not? Don't mind my mess, y'all. I did not clean today. And I do not care. Let's give her some of that one. Now let's get Cookie. Cookie, here's your bowl. Go there. Okay. Oh, I think she likes it. Uh-oh, Cookie doesn't seem too impressed. Oh, there she goes, okay. Now I gotta give Kiki some. Kiki. Cannoli, are you serious? This is not yours, honey. It's not yours. Yeah, she must really like that. Wow. What a little pigger. Hey, get back in that bathroom and eat your food. Okay, so I just took a bunch of stuff out of here because I'm gonna reorganize it. I'm just showing you that little mess I just made and my somewhat empty cabinets. I'm about to fill them. Okay, so I just finished organizing this and honestly, it's not to my liking, but I kind of just have to work with what I have because we don't have a pantry in here. We just have cabinets, so yeah. So this is what it's looking like. Got my applesauces, got some salty snacks, got some Nutri-Grain bars, my Super Pop almond blueberry bars, some mini bear or honey grams, whatever they're called. Then got some fruit snacks, granola and stuff there. This is the coffee stuff. And yeah, got an overabundance of pasta. Yeah. That's what that's looking like. So I'm gonna go ahead and close these cabinets before it starts working my nerves. I'm gonna say goodbye to it and then I'm gonna start working on the icebox. I also forgot to show we got a 4-pack of blueberry yogurt. What else have I forgotten to tell y'all? That is so weird. So, I am almost done cleaning the kitchen. I just got a few more things to put away. I am pooped out. It's already 11 o'clock and I'm ready to pass out. But I wanted to remind y'all really quick, don't forget when you go grocery shopping to scan your receipts. I'll have the link down in the description. It's an app that I use all the time. It's called Fetch Rewards. You just scan your receipts into the app and they give you points to get gift cards, and it's real, it's legit, it works. I do it all the time and it's pretty awesome. So yeah, you just scan your receipt and it uploads into the app and then you get points to get gift cards and it's awesome. I think I already said that, but okay. Yeah, don't forget to do it. I'll have the link down below as well as my referral code. Just download the app, use my code and start scanning. Start getting some gift cards, y'all. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and end this video now and I'll see y'all next time. Don't forget to give this video a like, leave me some comments down below and subscribe to my channel. And yeah, bye.